We just put dowel pins in, sealing the other dowel pin in. Now we're gonna heat up a socket. We're gonna whack it on the crank, and hopefully this heats it up enough that we can then slide in the crank nice and easily. Alright, we've heated up the socket with blowtorch. We're putting it on the bearing to let the bearing heat up a bit. We're then going to drop the crank into this, and hopefully it should go in nice and easy. And let this sit for a second. I'm going to give it another, what should I say, 15 seconds. I'm not doing that, I'm going to get the crank out. Fucking Ziploc bags, man. Yeah. Hopefully that's hot enough. Okay, so now we need to get the crank in there. Nice. Lovely. Crank's nice, free. Yes.